We studied the origin of concrete and we came to this book from Thomas More. It's Utopia. It's a book of 1517. It can be seen as one of the earliest science fiction novels ever written. And it talks about the society that invented this material that they built like high buildings that were 3 stories high with open structures that the wind can run through for people to live in a different way than they did at the time. 3 centuries later, these chemists, they come up with this substance, concrete, because they've been reading this novel and they're forming these ideas and developing something, a material now that is infested our world and has changed how we live as humans, how we interconnect, how we combine our knowledge, how we live in groups.
Something that was once an utopian vision and something people were longing for now has become our reality, but maybe also the reality that we don't want to be in. So where also is the stop, in the human imagination? On the other hand, it was something that didn't exist, was imagined. Now we have floating blocks of concrete. It is very hard to accept this truth because in our mind it's not possible, but it's the same kind of idea that 500 years ago was concrete. So floating blocks of concrete are as far away as concrete 500 years ago.
When people walk out of the show, we want them to have a feeling that everything that you come up with, you can create, like even flying concrete blocks.